There's a quiet mismatch happening in a lot of software companies right now. Your team is getting faster, but your business isn't really changing. Code is getting written quicker, testing is faster, proposals don't take hours anymore. Internally, things feel smoother. But on the outside, what you sell, how you price, how long you commit looks exactly the same. Let's take HealthTech for example. Hey there, I'm Tabish Bibikar, and I coach and mentor founders of software companies to build scale in their business fast. And this is something I'm seeing a lot, especially in services businesses right now. Your team is using AI, your business model, not really. And to be fair, there's a reason for that. In health tech, you can't just go to a hospital and say, we'll do this in half the time now. You're dealing with approvals, compliance, multiple stakeholders. Even if your team finishes in 4 weeks, the project might still take 8 to 10 weeks to actually move. So most founders play it safe. They keep timelines the same, pricing the same, scope the same. And honestly, that's not wrong. Where things start slipping is what you do after that. Because most teams stop at, great, our margins have improved. And that's it. For example, I was speaking to a health tech services founder the other day. Their team was building a patient management module. Earlier, it would take around 10 weeks. With AI, they got it done in about 6 weeks or so. But they're still committed to 10 weeks to the client, which makes sense. What they didn't do initially was use the extra time in a smarter way. No early releases, no extra iterations, no added layer of value. So from the client side, nothing really changed. That's the gap. The opportunity is not always in reducing timelines. It is how you use that extra capacity. One team I worked with did something really simple. Instead of saying, we'll deliver faster, they said, we'll give you a usable version earlier so your team can start testing sooner. Same overall timeline, completely different experience. Another health tech company was building dashboards for hospitals. Earlier it was just about reporting. Once AI sped things up, they added a small layer, weekly flags for high-risk patients. They didn't change the whole business model overnight. They just made the output much more valuable. That's usually how this shift actually happens. Not big changes, small visible improvements. So instead of asking, should I change my pricing or timelines? A more useful question is, where is my team saving time right now, and how can I turn that into something the client actually notices and values? Because if the client doesn't see it, they don't value it. Do reach out to me on LinkedIn if you'd like to change your model of growth.